How to make stickers on Canva and make money. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create stickers on Canva. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, creating stickers on Canva is very simple. It does require a little bit of creativity and some imagination, but at the end you will be able to create amazing looking stickers. So first, what you're going to do is you can just simply come over here on to the search bar and search for stickers over here. As you can see, it'll be templates. You can see all these different templates right here. You can go ahead and create some of these stickers if you want to. Like, it's very simple and it's very easy as well. You can go ahead and create some of these stickers, or you can use these stickers as well. It's really simple. Like, you can just simply download these stickers and then you can sell them onto Etsy or your own shop or website, and then you can make a decent amount of money with these stickers. So let me just show you how you can create your own stickers as well. So you would just simply click on a create a blank sticker over here. It's going to create a canvas for you for these stickers. Now what you can do is you can just simply go ahead and maybe find some inspiration, or maybe if you already have a design, you can go with that one as well. So what I like to do is I just simply like to, add some skull stickers, which I find them very easy and very nice. So what you can do is you can just simply come over here and just simply search for skull. Like, you will find all these different options available for you. You can go ahead and use them. What you will need to do actually is you will need to find images that are still. You need to find still images, not animations, because since it's a sticker, animations won't look as good. So you're gonna have to find some still images, right? And you can easily find them over here as well. Now over here, I basically liked this one right here, like this image. I find it very easy and very simple. Now next you could do is you can maybe go with the circle. It's a very colorful image, so you could go for a circle like this one or this one, or this one as well, and I could just simply send it backwards. Now since this circle is finding colors that match the skull, that's why it looks something like that. So what we can do now is we can just simply change some of the colors up. Like, for example, if I wanted to, I could change this color into a pink color like that, or maybe a little darker color as well, like this one over here, like this one, like a lighter color of pink. There we go. And then for the green part, I could go with a darker color like this one, or this one as well, and then just make it a little bit darker or brighter. It all depends on you, but I find this one to be very nice. Or you could go with the gold color as well. Yeah, like that one. It all depends on you, on how you find it. Like, as you can see, I just simply took me a couple of seconds, and I have a pretty, in my opinion, it's a nice sticker. I would definitely use this on my laptop, or put it on my helmet or on my bike. It looks really nice. Now you could go ahead and create other ones as well. Just simply click on add a new page and you can create a second sticker as well. So for this one, let's say we are looking for maybe a snake, right? Let's go with a snake. Not a cute kind. I mean, you could go with a cute snake. It all depends on you, but I feel like not a cute one. Maybe, let's see over here, like this one right here. So this one would look good. We just simply increase the size of it, put it in center, yeah, and again put a circle, the exact same one like this one. Or we could go with a different kind of circle as well, like this one. And basically what we can do now is I also want to add some effects to it. Can we animate it? I mean, we can animate it, but I don't want to animate it. I just want to add some effects on this image, but I don't think I can. Or we could go with this one as well. I'll just delete that and go with this one and send it backwards and increase the size. And now what we can do is maybe we can change the color of the circle. So over here, I'll put the lighter part of a yellow. Yeah, like that one. Maybe if we darken the color as well, or yeah, something like this one, like that. That one looks good. As you can see, another sticker has been created in a matter of seconds. So basically this is how you do it. Just simply go ahead and use your inspiration and create different stickers. Now we could go with a simpler version as well. Now let's go ahead and create some different stickers. So for this one, we need to find possibly some shapes. So maybe I clear that, and now we just find some typography type of thing. So over here we have some different types of text, like this one. Like this text looks good, looks cool. What we can do now is maybe we can go ahead and change some of these elements as well, like individually color, maybe change individual colors like that one. And now we can go ahead and maybe add some shapes as well. So for that, I guess we come over here into elements, and over here we find this one, and maybe I just decrease the size of the text and put the circle here. And I want to, where is that effect? 1 minute. Sorry about that. I wanted to add this one. Now, what I would like to do is maybe I want to change the borders to something like this, right? And I decrease the size of it like this, and I increase it like that. Maybe I want it to be kept something like this. There we go. We have ourselves a border. Now what we can do is we can change the color of this border as well. Let me just send it backward so we can see it. Now for this color, for the interior, maybe we go with something like this or this, maybe even this one as well. But as you can see, it all depends on you. Or maybe we change the border color like this, and the interior color, we go with something yellow. And of course for this one we want to change this color to purple as well. Yeah, it's something like this. As you can see, this looks good. I mean, it doesn't look the greatest, but you know, just trying to find different colors to match. Maybe if we go with a purple color as well, like we keep this pink and this one we choose a purple color. Yeah, I think that looks much better. See, something like this, like this sticker looks good. You could change up, of course you can change the writing and text whatever you want, but generally this is how you do it. So as you can see, I created three, in my opinion, cool looking stickers in a couple of minutes. And now I could just simply go ahead and click on the share button and download them as a transparent background. I could even increase the size of it so that they are in a higher quality, and then I just simply download them. And now once they're downloaded, I could just simply go ahead and upload them onto my Etsy shop or my e-commerce platform, and I can sell them, earn money. So pretty simple. This is how you do it. That's how you create stickers on Canva and earn money. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.